Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Wattpad beta app. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above we will search about Wattpad beta app as you see and we click. Here in this page of app info we go to first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Wattpad and you will click here, Wattpad beta. If you find the update like this, then you will update your app. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your